Today, let's explore a powerful word that connects ideas in an interesting way, although this little word can change the meaning of sentences. Although means in spite of the fact that it shows contrast between two ideas in one sentence. A common mistake is to use although like but. Remember, although often starts a sentence or clause and connects, unlike but which joins two complete sentences. Patterns include, although plus clause at the start or middle of a sentence. You can also say, although it was raining, or he went out although he was tired. Although she was tired, she finished her homework. I went to the beach although it was cloudy. He smiled although he felt sad. Although it was cold, they played outside. Sarah was nervous about the test. Although she didn't feel ready, she took the exam and did well. That word helped show her strength against fear. Think of although like all tough. Even if things are tough, although connects the opposite idea. Now you know how to use although. Try making your own sentences and see the difference.